Menteri Rangba Kajela Konrad Kesang Mah Ne Kasngi rengkat bad Menteri Ketenan Urban Affairs Kasorkar Jela ubak sniau halang dhar kilalet ban jurep ya Jaka Haniu Shillong nak benta bentai ya Meghalaya Secretariat ke Bathamai. Hakani kajing le jurep ladan langru ki he sorkar Kajela nadu Chief Secretary ba DP Walang nalor kiwe. Habakran hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba ul ongru bahadin bakiladap jurep kin sapet pat kanu kajaka ka bakhambiang ban bu ka Meghalaya Secretariat ka ban pensuk langru yakipat ba Kajela.
We have come here to visit in this Maudyanjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done. And we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administration can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which it was a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area. And we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision. Thank you.